Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to manage our permissions on INFINIX Zero 40. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll down and go into privacy. Now go into permission manager. App permissions. Here let's go into contacts maybe, or I don't know, calendar let's say. And these apps have permission to allow calendar. These apps are not allowed to access the calendar. You can change it very easily just by tapping on the app and changing it from the allow to don't allow, or from allow to don't allow. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. You can also do it by the kind of the app, not by the kind of permission to something. So let's go back here, go into app management, app list. Now let's go into Android Auto, let's say, permissions, and as you can see, Android Auto is allowed to access everything. You can change it the same way as I showed it earlier, so just here, back, and also if you tap on the three dots in the right corner, tap on all permissions, you're going to see where the permissions that this app has. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have no questions, let us know in the comments.